Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve a LRDI set based on arrangement. Before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us. Our Facebook group link is there in the description below. So let us begin. So the question says that in a planet called Titan, there exists a continent called Pangaea, which is surrounded on all sides by water. The continent comprises 8 countries: Antegria, Republia, Bahari, Centopia, Draca, Ecotopia, Grasnavia, and Krakozia, located contiguously on it. That is, the total area of the 8 countries is same as the area of the continent. Each country is exactly in the shape of a square, with the 4 edges of the square as its boundaries. The areas of the 8 countries are all equal. Any country is said to be a neighbor of another country if the two countries have one edge as a common boundary. Further, one can travel by land between two countries only if the two countries are neighbors, and it is known that one can reach any country from any of the other countries by traveling by land, passing through one or more countries if required. So that means each and every country is interlinked to one another. Okay. Now a few points have been given. So the first point says that Republia and Ectopia are the only neighbors of Draca. Okay. So what can we infer from this is that Draca is going to be there in the middle. Okay. And there is going to be E and R in any order. Okay. Either this can be the case or they can be stand in a vertical position. Okay. So D and R, where E and R can be in any position. Okay. While Krakozia is the only neighbor of Bahari, but Krakozia is not to the west of Bahari. Okay, so let's keep that aside for a moment. Come to the second point. It says that Antegria and Draca are the only neighbors of Ectopia. Okay, so that means there is a country which is going to be there, that is to the as a neighbor of Ecotopia. Antegria is that country, so it will be either A, or it is going to occupy the upper position, or it is going to occupy the position to the right of it. Okay, so any one of the position it is going to occupy. Okay, while Krakozia is the only neighbor of Centopia. Okay, now we know that Krakozia is the only neighbor of Centopia also, and it is the only neighbor of Bahari also. Okay, these things are clear. Now in the third point, it says that Ectopia is directly to the north of Republica. Okay, so now what we can say is that because it has been said that E is to the north of R, the arrangement which we were talking here, that is the correct arrangement. Okay, so this is one final arrangement that we have got. Okay, that the position of E, D and R, how they are going to stand. So this is going to be the position of EDR. Now, because as it has been said that Draca and Antegria are the only neighbors of Ectopia, so if they are talking about only neighbors of Ectopia, then see, A can come here over here, A can come over here, and A can come over here. Any of the places A can occupy. We do not know as of now. Let's move ahead. It says that Grasnavia is directly to the east of Draca, and no country is present directly to the south of Grasnavia. Okay, so it has been said that Grasnavia is directly to the east of Draca. That acha, one thing is there that Grasnavia cannot come here. The reason behind that is that Draca only has two neighbors, that are Ectopia and this Republia. Okay, so D has only two neighbors, that is E and R. Okay, so G cannot come here. That means the position that G is going to occupy is either this one, or the position G is going to occupy is either this one. Okay, now let's make cases. Okay, in LR sets, never be afraid to make cases, because that is going to make your set easier only. Okay, so EDR, this one is clear. Okay, if A comes here, then there is going to be two countries here and one country here, then only G can come here. But this case is not possible. The reason behind that is because we have been said the only neighbors of E are D and A. So if this country shares its border with E, it is going to be a neighbor. So that case is not possible. Okay, so let's cut off that case. Now we have one case in which A is going to be at the top of E. Okay, this case is also possible. Now for making G coming over here, what we have to do is we have to place a country here, we have to place a country here, and we have to place a country here. There are going to be 8 countries over here. Okay, so this can be one possible arrangement. Okay, I'm not saying this is the arrangement, but this is one possible arrangement. Now come to the second case where A is going to be on the east, east of this Ecotopia. Okay, so let's make that case and let's check it out if it is going to work. Okay, so R, and here we are going to take A. Now if we have taken A here, then if we have to bring G over here, one case can be this one. We can take, sorry, we can take a country here and we can make G over here. Okay, we can do one more thing. See, E, D and R, A is over here. What we can do is we can take one more city over here and we can make G over here. then 2 it is on the right of D. Okay, exactly to the right of D. As of now, how many cities have we used? How many countries have we used? We have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there is chance of one more country. It can come any place. Okay. Acha, there is one more case possible in this. See this one. This is going to be E, this is going to be D, this is going to be R. Here we have taken A. So the case which I'm talking about can be this one. Okay. Still in this case, G is going to be to the east of D. That is to the right of E. Because we have been given, you can see that Grasnavia is directly to the east of Draka. Okay. So these are the four possible arrangements which are possible. Now, why have I said you to make cases is because if you make cases, you can easily eliminate it. The thing over in logical reasoning sets are that, see, let's say if you go with this case, and there are total of four possible cases. If this is the correct set, okay, if this is going to be the correct arrangement, then you are definitely going to save 2 minutes, approximately 2 minutes. But if you get this set as this arrangement as a wrong one, okay, then you are definitely going to waste your 2 to 3 minutes. So to avoid that, to take a neutral side, what I say is that always make cases. Don't be afraid to take cases, okay, because cases do get cancelled very easily. You will see right now also in this set also, you will see that how do we cancel cases very easily. Okay. Acha, now after this much information has been gathered, see, one thing has been said that while Krakozia is the only neighbor of Bahari, but Krakozia is not to the west of Bahari, and Krakozia is the only neighbor of Centopia. Okay. Now talk about this case. Let's say Krakozia is going to come over here. Okay. Then because Bahari has to have then see, it is certain that either Bahari or Centopia is going to come over here, and Bahari or Centopia are going to come over here, any one of them. Okay. But whoever comes in this place is not going to be a neighbor of K. But we know that K is a neighbor of both B and that is uh, just a second, what's the name, Bahari and Centopia. So K is the neighbor, we know that, but in this case it is not possible. So what we can say is that this case is automatically cancelled out. Okay, so let's cancel that case. Now come to this case. Okay, now again what we have to do is we have to make K a neighbor of C and B. Those are the three countries which are left to be filled. Okay, now see what we can do. We have two blocks over here, so we are going to have one more block. We can place that one block anywhere. But the case here is that we have been strictly said that C and B only have one neighbor, and that is going to be K. So whoever, let's say K comes here. Okay, if K comes here, then B or C is going to come over here. Whoever is going to come, we don't care about that. They are going to come, we know that. But if they come over there, then they are going to have G as the neighbor. Okay, so that is also not a possible case. So let's remove this one. I shall check for one more thing also, that let's say K comes over here, then B and C are definitely going to occupy this place, because whatever are the blocks, they are going to be filled because we have been given that. Okay, so if B or C, any one of them comes over here, they will also share the boundary with A. Again, that is not a possible case because the only neighbor they can have is K. So let's remove this case also. Come to this case. Okay, again a very similar case. Take K over here, then B and C will come over here. Again they will share the boundary with G. If you take K over here, okay, let's write it down. If you take K over here, B or C are going to come over there, but in any case they are going to share the boundary with A, which is not a possible case. So that means this case is also not possible. Now the only possible case which we are left with is going to be this one. Okay, so let's make it a little bit clearer. So we have E, we have D, we have R, we have A, and we have a city here over here and a city over here. Okay, now we have this much. Acha, one thing what we know is, see, whoever is going to come over here is going to share its boundary with A. Now out of K, B and C, we know that B and C cannot share their boundary with any other country apart from K. So that means B and C can never come over here, they can only come to K. Okay, now we have to make two more blocks because there are two countries left. So those blocks can be one over here and one over here. Now how are we going to decide which position is B are going to occupy and which position is to be occupied by C? Now for that, get back to the statements given to us. we have been given that Krakozia is the only neighbor of Bahari, but Krakozia is not to the west of Bahari. Now, if Krakozia is here and Bahari comes over here, then Krakozia will be to the west of Bahari. So that case is not a possible case. So what we will do is we will give this particular block to C, and we are going to give the upper block to B. So with this we have a final arrangement. So now we can directly move towards the questions. So which of the following countries is a peninsula that is surrounded by water on exactly three sides? Okay. So Antegria, it is not surrounded by water in three sides, only on two sides. Republia is surrounded by water on three sides. Okay. Ectopia is not surrounded by water on three sides, whereas there is Krakozia, which is also not surrounded by water on three sides. So the correct answer is going to be Republia. Okay. So option number B is going to be the correct answer for question 1. Come to question 2. Which of the following countries is to immediate south of Krakozia? Immediate south of Krakozia, we know it is going to be G. So we can say that the answer is option number C, Grasnavia. Coming to question number 3. If a person has to travel by land from Ectopia to Grasnavia. So Ectopia to Grasnavia. Okay. Which of the following countries must he pass through? So he will have to pass through Krakozia. Okay. He will have to pass through Krakozia, that's certain. And okay, he will also has to pass through Republia. He won't have to pass through Republia and Dreka. So the correct answer we can say is going to be Krakozia. That is option number A. So with this, a set is complete. I hope you have understood the set well, guys. Thanks for watching the video.